Hello, and thank you for joining me on another one of my adventure travel series videos. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dmitry and I'm an American expat living in the Philippines. If you find this video entertaining, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And now sit back, relax, and enjoy as I take you on an exciting adventure of the Timelapse Traveler.
Good morning, everybody. Starting our last day here in White Sands Cebu Resort, having our breakfast, Khrys and I. Today we're continuing our buffet adventure here in the resort. I love the fact that they have hash brown potatoes, one of my favorite breakfast foods, with of course with the chorizo sausage. It's a really good combination for me. And Khrys is going for her usual Philippine flavor of it, together with rice. I'm actually just enjoying the fact that I don't have to have rice if I could, you know, have other kinds of foods. Well, listen, it's not like I don't have enough rice as it is, you know. But if I can have some potatoes for breakfast for a change, I'll definitely go for that. We're getting ready to go on an island hopping adventure with a queer captain in about an hour or so. It's looking like it's going to be another beautiful day today. Unfortunately, I don't have my hat. I didn't think to bring it somehow. I was just so used to not wearing it lately. I need to make sure that I cover myself properly this time with sunblock. It's going to be pretty sunny. Looks like we have a visitor over here. Look at that. We have somebody prowling around looking for some food, I think. So this here is going to be our boating adventure. We're going to do some island hopping for just a couple of hours. We're not going to make this into any extended adventure. We're gonna do some sightseeing and hopefully some flying of the drone. Wow, the water is already so warm. Because we're experiencing really low tide today, we need to get this little boat. It's going to take us to the bigger boat, but we can't go directly onto it. Our boat is not gonna make it there.
The waters here are heavily infested with dangerous sea urchins known as the black titans due to their color and very painful spikes if accidentally stepped on. For this reason, to avoid a painful accident, the guides had us take this miniature boat ride to a larger power boat that would be taking us on a snorkeling and sightseeing tour.
Sea urchin.
Yeah, that could be very dangerous.
Those monsters.
I stepped on one month ago in City Park. It tears my toe really bad, and it's still stuck inside. And here's the start of our tour. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire.
Outlaw, like I hit the Powerball. Once all eyes is on me, floating off like softball.
And so we're approaching our first destination here. Maybe we'll get in the water a little bit, although we weren't planning to do much snorkeling, since Khrys really shouldn't be swimming right now. We're gonna take a look at how the water is over here. Promise you're gonna get a nice view.
Right now, main thing for me is not to step on another sea urchin, because that would suck. I'm still getting over the previous time I stepped on one back in Sikihor. That's a lesson I'm not going to forget for a while, I think. Well, we had a really amazing time hanging out here at the resort. We got some amazing videos, but besides the videos, we also got some really cool photos. I mean, just check these out. This video was made using my old microphone that would occasionally cut out, which is what happened here. I was taking Khrys on a tour of the resort grounds that she still hasn't seen yet, and to soak in some of the beautiful atmosphere to get the most of our stay in this place. It was great spending time at this resort, but all good things must come to an end. Before flying back home to Manila, we ventured out on a tour of this historic city of Cebu, but that will be a story for the next video. This concludes the 4th episode of the Cebu Adventure series. I know I promised that this will be the final episode, but then I realized that I have way too much fun content to be able to cram into just one video. The next video is definitely going to conclude this trip, and I'm hoping that you'll come back to my channel when that video is posted. If you enjoyed this video and others in this series, a like and subscription from you would be really appreciated. In the meantime, take care of yourselves and each other, and stay tuned for more exciting videos coming at you from the Timelapse Traveler.